In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Timeline View for deal tracking. Timeline View in Mondaycom is a helpful way to see your deals visually instead of only reading them in a list. It gives your sales pipeline a calendar-style layout, so it becomes much easier to spot overlapping deals, upcoming deadlines, delayed opportunities, and expected closing dates at a glance. To begin, log into your Mondaycom account. This process can be used across your boards, but in this example, we'll be working from the CRM area. Once you're in, click on CRM, then open the Sales Pipeline board for this walkthrough. Before the timeline view can display your deals properly, you need to make sure your board has a timeline column. Click the plus icon to add a new column if one is not already there. A timeline column is used to define a start and end date for each item, which helps Mondaycom place each deal across a visual time span. This is what allows the platform to map your deals clearly on a timeline. After clicking the plus icon, type in timeline and select it from the list. Once the column has been added, go through your deals in the sales pipeline and set the timeline for each one. This step is important because the view depends on that date range to show where each deal belongs and how long it is expected to stay active. Next, click the plus icon again, this time to add a new board view. Choose Explore More Views, then type in Timeline and select the Timeline View option. This creates a dedicated visual view of your pipeline based on the timeline data you just entered. Once the view opens, add a filter to make the timeline more focused and useful. In this example, select Expected Close Date. This feature lets you narrow the timeline to deals that match a specific closing window, which is especially helpful when you want to prioritize near-term revenue opportunities. Set the filter so that expected close date is next month and then include future dates as well. This helps you capture not only deals expected to close soon, but also upcoming opportunities beyond that period. It gives you a cleaner forecasting view without clutter from older or irrelevant records. After that, click Apply to activate the filter, and then click Save Filters so the view stays ready for future use. And that's how to use Timeline View for deal tracking in Mondaycom. You logged in, opened your CRM sales pipeline, added a timeline column, filled in deal timelines, created a timeline view, and filtered it by expected close dates for a more focused sales forecast. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.